Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the sign up right away. Make sure you use a secure device and stable internet and have a recovery email ready. Enter accurate personal details. Google uses consistency to reduce verification prompts, so avoid fabricated data. Create a strong password and choose a unique username. Once done, review privacy options before proceeding. This first step reduces the chance Google will require immediate phone verification and prepares you to use legitimate, supported alternatives for completing account setup. Continue by using supported verification choices rather than trying to bypass checks. If you have access to a trusted phone, use it. Otherwise, add a verified recovery email to receive codes. For business or organization needs, creating an account through Google Workspace often removes repeated phone prompts. Work with your admin. Set up account recovery methods and generate backup codes now. Doing this explains why Google asked for verification and gives you legitimate paths to complete setup without resorting to risky workarounds. Finish by completing your profile, accepting Google's terms, and reviewing security settings. Enable two-step verification and save backup codes in a safe place. Make sure recovery options are accurate so you can regain access later. If account creation is blocked or you're asked for a phone and cannot provide one, pause and wait 24 to 72 hours. Repeated attempts can trigger stricter checks. If the problem persists, contact Google support or use a workspace administrator for a compliant resolution. Do not use shady bypass methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.